श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। शिवाय नमः। Kubera was originally the king of Lanka. Ravana was his stepbrother. Ravana defeated Kubera and captured Lanka along with Pushpaka Vimana. Ravana became intoxicated with his pride and arrogance. Once while going around in the Pushpaka Vimana, Kailasa Parvata blocked his path. He got down and lifted Kailasa with his hands to throw it away. Mahadeva sensed Kailasa moving under him. He realized the mischief of Ravana and just pushed it down with the toe of his leg. Ravana's fingers were crushed. Ravana realized that there was someone far more powerful than him. In grief and repentance, he prayed to Shankara by composing the Shivatandava Stotra. Mahadeva was moved. He pardoned Ravana and gifted him a sword called Chandrahasa. The first sloka of Shivatandava Stotra. Jatadavi galajjala pravaha pavitastale galevalambyalambidam bhujanga maligam. Damaddamaddamaddamanninadamaddamarvayam chakara chandatandavam tanoduna shiva shivam. The first line. Jatadavi galajjala pravaha pavitasthale. It is split like this. Jata, Atavi, Galat, Jalapravaha pavitasthale. Jata is Shiva's coiled matted hair. Atavi means forest. Shiva's Jata is compared to a thick, dense forest. Galata means flowing out of. Jalapravaha, water flowing out of. Which is this water flowing out of Shiva's Jata? Ganga. Jalapravaha pavitasthale. Pavita means pavitra, made pure, because Ganga is flowing through it. Pavitasthale, place which is pavitra because of Ganga flowing through it. This is where Shankara is doing Tandava. The place where he is doing Tandava is being described. Gale valambya lambidam bhujanga tunga maligam. Gale lambidam bhujanga tunga maligam avalambya. What is Mahadeva wearing as his garland? Malika. Bhujanga tungaha. Bhujanga means serpent. Tunga means peak, showing the greatness of the serpent that he is wearing. Gale bhujanga tunga maligam lambidam avalambya. Gala means neck. Avalambya, hanging a serpent down from his neck as a long garland. Damad 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 daman ninadavad damarvayam. Damat means damedi shabdam kurvat, making dama sound, the sound of damaru. Damad 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 dama. Damad ninadavat. Just as how the sound of damaru spreads in all directions, all around, ayam damaruhu na shivam tanodu. May this damaru spread goodness, happiness for us all around. Pavitasthale yash shivaha chandatandavam chakara. Shiva, who did ferocious Tandava dance in that pristine place, may he na shivam tanodu. Advance, extend, spread all around happiness for us. So the meaning goes, Yash Shivaha Jatadavi Galajjala Pravaha Pavidasthale Chandatandavam Chakara. Shiva, who did Tandava at the holy and pristine place where Ganga from his jungle-like Jata flowed. Yash Shivaha Gale Lambidam Bhujanga Tunga Maligam Avalambya Chandatandavam Chakara. By hanging a serpent, a great serpent as his garland, he did Tandava. Damad 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 daman ninadavat damarvayam na shivam tanodu. May the damaru that makes damad dama sound spread happiness for us all around. Take all our fears away. Keep all our troubles away. Shivaha na shivam tanodu. May Lord Shiva himself spread our happiness all around. give us happiness everywhere. The second shloka. Jatakataha sambrama brahman nilimba nirjari vilola vechi vallari virajamana mordhani. Dhagad 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 lalallada pattapavage kishora chandrasekhare rati pratikshanam mama. Jatakataha sambrama brahman nilimba nirjari. Jatakataha sambrama brahmata nilimba nirjari. Nirjari means river. Nilimba Nirjari means divine river, Ganga. Kataha is well. Jata Kataha. Bhagavan's Jata looks like a well. And Ganga, the divine river, inside it, Sambhrama Brahmata, agitated and whirling around, eager to come out. And when it comes out, it looks like a Vallari, a creeper plant, like the pumpkin plant that comes out of earth and moves forward. What kind of a Vallari? Vilola Vichi Vallari. Wavy and eager to move forward. Mahadeva's head is adorned by a wavy Ganga flowing out of his well-like jata and eagerly moving forward. Dhagad 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 jwalallalada pattapavake. Dhagat 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 Jwalad Lalada Patta Pavake. Pavaka means fire. Lalada Patta means forehead. The fire on his forehead. The fire in his third eye. What kind of fire? Dhagat 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 Jwalad. Burning, making the sound Dhagat Dhagat Dhagat. Kishora Chandra Shekhare. Shekhara means the upper part of forehead. Above the forehead. Kishora Chandra, young moon. The crescent adorns his upper forehead. Ratihi, delight, happiness. Pratikshanam, every moment, moment to moment. My delight, happiness always are on three things. These are the three things that keep me happy moment to moment. The wavy divine Ganga coming out of his well like jata. The fire on his forehead burning, making the sound dhagat dhagat dhagat. And the young moon on his upper forehead. The third shloka. Dharadharendra Nandini Vilasa Bandhu Bandhura Spurat Diganda Sandadi Pramodamana Manase. Kripakadaksha Dhorani Niruddha Durdhara Padikvajid Digambare Mano Vinodamedu Vastuni. Dharadharendra Nandini Vilasa Bandhu Bandhura Sphurat Diganta Santati Pramodamana Manase. Pramodamana Manase. In him who is enjoying the activities of Sphurat Diganta Santati, of all the beings of the universe. Diganta means who are within, inside of the 10 directions. Sphurat, their activities are flashing, brilliant. How did these beings come into existence? Through the Vilasa, Leela, which is also Bandhura, pleasant. Through the Leela of Dharadharendra Nandini. Bandhu here indicates the connection between the creation and Shakti, Parvati. The link. Manovinodametu. In such a divinity, in Mahadeva, Manovinodametu. Take the delight of your mind to him. Find your delight in him. Dharadhara is Parvata. There Indra, king of mountains. Himalaya, Himavan. His Nandini, daughter Parvati, Dharadharendra Nandini. Bhagavan is enjoying the action of all the beings who are within the 10 directions, inside of the 10 directions created by the Leela of Parvati. And through the uninterrupted Dhorani means uninterrupted, of his Kripa Kataksha, the gracious merciful glance through the corner of his eye, in him Niruddha Durdharapati, one who stops the impending unbearable danger, in him and in Digambare Vastuni. His clothes are the 10 directions. Those are what cover him. He is as vast as the 10 directions. He is as infinite as the 10 directions. Does the direction end anywhere? Horizon is as far as you can see. Go there and the horizon is still as much ahead. Directions are endless. Those are his clothes. He is infinite. Digambare vastuni. In such a thing. Vastu, object, is used here as a qualifying term. When you say infinite, it is unfathomable by the mind. By saying Vastu, we are trying to grab his form with the mind of limited capacity. The next sloka. Jada bhujanga pingala sphurat phadamani prabhagadamba gungumadrava pralipta didvadhu mukhe. Madanta sindhura sphuratva guttariya medure mano vinodam adbhudam vibhattu bhuda bhartari. Two other aspects of Mahadeva are being described in these shlokas. There is another serpent coiled around his jata. There is a Nagamani on top of its hood. It is emanating brilliant reddish brown light. This light is reaching up to the 10 directions. The directions are compared to a bride whose face is anointed with kunkuma made from turmeric powder. The light from the gem on top of the hood of the serpent makes her face look as if it is anointed with kunkuma. It is so brilliant. Jada bhujanga. Bhujanga means snake, serpent. Pingala, reddish brown, the color of kunkuma. Sphurat phanamani prabha, the brilliance of that money gem. Kadamba means turmeric. Kadamba kunkuma. Kadamba kunkuma drava, the paste made from kadamba kunkuma. Pralipta, anointed with it. Digvadhu, the 10 directions compared to a vadhu, bride. By saying Digvadhu mukhe, it means in him who has caused this to happen. Madanda sindhura spurat twaguttariya medure. Madanda sindhura spurat twak uttariya medure. Sindhura means elephant. Reference is to Gajasura whom Mahadeva killed. Madandha, the asura blind with arrogance. Mahadeva wears the thick skin twak of Gajasura as a suttariya. In him, Manovinodam adbhudam vibhartu bhuta bhartari. Bhuta bharta, ruler of all beings. Bhuta bhartari, in him. Manovinodam adbhudam, marvelous delight of the mind. Bibhartu, maintain it in him. Engage your mind constantly in him and derive marvelous delight out of him. Next sloka. Sahasralojana prabhritya seshalekha shekhara prasuna dhuli dhorani vidhusarangri pithabhu. Bhujangaraja malaya nibaddha jada jodaga shriyai jiraya jayatam chakora bandhu shekhara. Sahasralojana prabhriti ashesha lekha shekhara prasuna dhuli dhorani vidhusara angri pidabhu. Bhagavan's feet and the place where he is standing are being described. Sahasralojana is Indra. Sahasralojana Prabhriti, starting from Indra. Ashesha Lekha, all the Devas, they prostrate at his feet, keep their heads at his feet and offer namaskara. And when they do that, Shekhara Prasuna Dhuli Dhorani. Shekhara here means the garlands they wear on their hair. Prasuna, flower. Dhuli, pollens, flower dust from those flowers. Shekhara Prasuna Dhuli, pollens of flowers and the garlands worn by Deva starting from Indra, keeping their heads at the feet of Mahadeva and offering respects to him. Dhorani, these pollens keep on falling at his feet. They keep on falling at his feet and around the place where he is standing. And the place, the Pidabhu, where his feet Angri are resting, placed, have become Vidhusara, the color of the dust from the flowers, pollens. Jatajutakah, one with Jatajuta, heavy thick jata. His jata is Bhujanga Rajamalaya Nibaddhaha. It is tied with a garland which is again a serpent. Bhujanga Raja, king of serpents, a great serpent. Shriyai Chiraya Jayatam Chakora Bandhu Shekharaha. Chakora is a bird that is supposed to drink moonlight. The Bandhu, well-wisher of that bird is moon. Chakora Bandhu. Chakora Bandhu Shekharaha. Chandrasekharaha. Mahadeva who adorns the crescent on his upper forehead. May he, Lord Mahadeva, Shriyai Chiraya Jayatam, be therefore bless us with permanent Shri, Aishwarya, prosperity. The next sloka. Lalada Chatvara Jwala Dhananjaya Spulinga Bhani Bhita Panchasayagam Namannilimpanayagam Sudhamayugha Lekhaya Virajamana Shekharam Mahakapali Sampade Shirojadalamastuna Sampade Shiraha Astunaha, which is in the last line. His head is being praised, and it is said that may his head, meaning Mahadeva himself, be for our sampat, prosperity, Aishwarya, wealth. Lalata Chatvara Jwala Dhananjaya Spulingabha Nipita Panchasayakam. His forehead, Lalata, is being compared to a Chatvara, courtyard, as broad as a courtyard. Jwalata Dhananjaya, Agni, burning there as his third eye. Spulingabha, the sparks coming out of it. Nipita Panchasayagam, consumed Panchasayaga, the god with 5 arrows, Kamadeva. And Naman Nilimpanayagam, Nilimpanayaka is leader of Devas, Indra. Namat Nilimpanayagam, it humbled Indra. That Agni humbled Indra by consuming Kamadeva. Because Indra had sent Kamadeva to Shiva with the task of distracting him from his tapas. And when Kamadeva was burned to ashes by Shiva, Indra was humbled. Naman Nilimpanayakam. Sudha Mayugha Lekhaya. Sudha is Amrita, nectar. Mayugha, rays, moon rays. Moon rays compared here to nectar. Lekha means the streak of the crescent. Virajamana Shekharam. His Shekhara head is adorned by the streak of the nectarine crescent. May his head, described thus, with Jata Jatalam, it is the head of Mahakapali, Mahadeva. May it be for our Sampat, Aishwarya, Sampade Astunaha. The next sloka. Karala Bhala Pattiga Dhagad 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 Jwalad Dhananjayahudi Girda Prajanda Panchasayake Dharadharendra Nandini Kujagra Chitra Patraka Prakalpanega Shilpini Trilojanera Dharmama Karala Bhala Pattika Dhagad 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 Jwalat Dhananjaya Ahudigrata Prajanda Panchasayake. Karala means fierce, formidable. Bhala Pattika, the broad strip of his forehead. Dhananjaya, Agni. Dhagad, 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 jwalat, Agni burning, making dhagad, dhagad, dhagad sound. In that Agni, Panchasayaka, Kamadeva, has been offered as oblation, Ahuti. Prachanda means passionate, obsessed. Kamadeva was obsessed with distracting Mahadeva from his tapas. Intense about igniting passion in Mahadeva towards Parvati, who was waiting by his side. Karala Bhala Pattiga Dhagad 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 Jwalad Dhananjayahudi Grida Prachanda Panchasayake. In him, Dharadharendra Nandini, Parvati, as explained before. Kuchagra Chitrapatraga Prakalpanaika Shilpini. Chitrapatraga, drawing Patravali, drawing with his fingers various shapes such as leaves, as in Mehendi. Where is he drawing them? Kuchagra of Dharadharendra Nandini. on the tips of the bosom of Parvati Devi. Prakalpanika Shilpini, the one and only Shilpi, artist who does that. In him, Trilochane, in that three-eyed Mahadeva, Retirmama, my delight is in him. The next sloka. Navina Megha Mandali Niruddha Durdhara Spurat Kuhu Nishidhini Tamah Prabandha Baddha Gandharaha Nilimba Nirjari Dharastanodu Gritti Sindhurak Kala Nidhana Bandhura Shriyam Jagadhurandhara. The color of Shiva's neck is being described. Kuhu Nishidhini Tamaha. Kuhu is a kind of Amavasya in which there is not even a trace of moon. Nashtendu Kalamavasya Kuhu. Even on Amavasya, stars are visible. Now these are also covered by clouds. Megha Mandali. Niruddha Durdhara Spurat. Niruddha means stopped. The light coming from the stars are also stopped by these clouds. Durdhara Spurat. Formidable, powerful, pitch, darkness. Why are clouds called Navina, fresh? The white clouds are always there in the sky. They are the old ones. When it is about to rain, new dark clouds are freshly formed. That is how it appears. Hence, Navina Megha Mandali means dark clouds. So, pitch dark, powerful Amavasya night in which dark clouds block even the light coming from the stars, Prabandha Baddha Gandharaha. Prabandha means band. Gandhara means neck. Such a dark band is around his neck. A band as dark as the cloudy Amavasya night. Nilimba Nirjari Dharaha, who adorns the divine river Nilimba Nirjari, Ganga. Kritti Sindhuraha, who adorns elephant skin. Kritti means garment made of skin. Sindhura is elephant. Kala Nidhana, the resting place, Ashraya of Kala, the crescent, or Ashraya of all arts. Bandhuraha, who is the most charming, pleasant. Jagadhurandharaha, who bears the load of the universe, who is the support of the universe. May he Shriyam Tanotu, increase our riches, promote our Aishwarya. The next sloka. Prabhulla Nila Pangaja Prabanja Kalima Prabhavalambi Kantha Kandali Ruji Prabadha Gandharam Smarachidam Burachidam Bhavachidam Makachidam Gajachidam Dhagachidam Tamantagachidam Bhaje Prabhulla Nila Pangaja Prabanja Kalima Prabha Avalambi Kantha Kandali Ruji Prabadha Gandharam. Prabhulla, blossomed, opened. Neela Pangaja, blue lotus. Utpala. Prapancha means expanding, spreading. The universe is called Prapancha because it expanded out of Brahma, the creator. It has manifested out of creator Brahma. Kalima Prabha, the dark blue lazar, light spreading out of the blue lotus. The blue lotus here is an allegory pointing towards the blue color of Bhagavan's neck. Kandha Kandali, the stalk stem of his neck. Kandali is plantain, banana tree. Neck resembling the stem of plantain, emanating bright blue light. It appears as if there is a beautiful blue lotus around his neck. Rujiprabadha Gandharaha. Smarachit, Smarasya Cheta, destroyer of Smara, Kamadeva. Smarachidam. Purachit, destroyer of Pura, the Tripuras, Tripurandaka, Purachidam. Bhavachit, destroyer of Bhava, Samsara, worldly delusion, ignorance, Bhavachidam. Maghachid, Magha means Yajna, destroyer of Daksha's Yajna, Maghachidam. Gajachid, destroyer of Gajasura. Andhagachid, destroyer of Andhagasura. Tam Antakachitam. Antaka is Yama. Andhaga is Asura. Antaka is Yama. Destroyer of Yama. Antagachid. Antagachidam. Tam, him, bhaje. Him we serve. Him we take refuge in. To him we surrender. The next shloka. Akharva sarva mangala kala kadamba manjari rasa pravaha madhuri vijrambhana madhu vratam. Smarantagam purantagam bhavantagam maghantagam gajantakanthagantagam tamantakantagam bhaje. Kharva means imperfect, damaged. Akharva, perfect. Sarva mangala, full of auspiciousness. What is full of auspiciousness? Kala kadamba manjari. All forms of arts, music, dance, poetry, painting, all assembled together like a bouquet of flowers. Rasapravaha madhuri. Their essence is coming out as nectar, honey from this bouquet. And Shankara is ready to enjoy them like a bhramara. Madhuvrata means big black bee, bhramara. Vijrambhana, with its mouth open. Mahadeva is like a big black bee with its mouth open. Mahadeva is an enjoyer of all forms of art. He is like a bee, Bhramara, waiting eagerly with mouth open to drink the nectar coming out of all the arts. Compared here to flowers assembled into a bouquet. Smarantaka, destroyer of Smara, Kamadeva. All those adjectives in the previous shloka, Smarachita, Purachita, etc. are repeated, replacing Cheta, Smarachita, etc. with Antaka. Purantaka, Bhavantaka, Makhandaka, Gajantaka, Andhagantaka and Antakantaka. In him we take refuge. Him we serve. The next shloka. Jayattvadabhra vibhrama bhramadbhujangama swasad vinirgamat kramaspurat karala bhala havyavad. Dhimid 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 dhvanan mridanga dunga mangala dhvani krama pravartida prajanda dandava shiva. Jayatu adabhra vibhrama bhramad bhujangama swasad nirgamad kramaspurat karala bhala havyavad. The serpent around his neck is not stationary. Bhujangama means serpent. Vibhrama bhramada bhujangama. It keeps on coiling around Mahadeva's neck. It is looking all around, alert. And swasata vinirgamata. Its breath is making the fire. Havyavad means fire. Fire on his forehead, bhala. Karala bhala havyavad. That ferocious fire on his forehead. It is making the fire to inflame more and more. The serpent is blowing, breathing into the fire again and again. Kramaspurata, which makes the flames more and more ferocious. And his Tandava is according to the rhythm of the Mridanga Tunga, great Mridanga, Mangaladhvani, that auspicious rhythm. Dhvani Krama Pravartita. The Krama of his dance is as per this rhythm. Mridanga Tunga Mangala Dhvanikrama Pravartida Prachanda Tandavaha. And the Tandava is Prachanda, intense. And what sound is the Mridanga making? Dhimi 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 Dhvanad. Dhimi Dhimi Dhimi. Jayatu Shivaha. Jayatu, the first word of the first line, and Shivaha, the last word of the last line. Jayatu Shivaha. The next shloka. Drishad vijitra talpayor bhujanga mautiga srajor garishta ratna loshtayo suhrid vipaksha pakshayo. Trinaravinda chakshusho prajamahi mahendrayo samapravartikah kada sadashivam bhajamyaham. This shloka says how Mahadeva should be worshipped. Here, objects are being described in pairs. Drishad vijitra talpayoho. Drishad means rock. Vichitra talpa means luxurious bed. Samapravartikaha, considering both alike, whether sleeping on a rock or on a luxurious bed shouldn't matter. Bhujanga mautida srajoho. Sraka means garland. Whether wearing a snake or pearls as garland should not matter. Trinaravinda Chakshushoho, treating grass and women having eyes like lotus petals alike. Garishtha Ratnaloshtayoho, considering a valuable gem and a lump of clay as the same. Suhrid Vipaksha Pakshayoho, as a friend to both friends and enemies, friend of both sides. Praja Mahi Mahendrayoho, looking at the common man and the king alike. This should be the attitude when you worship Mahadeva. Samapravartikaha, with equanimity. Kada sadashivam bhajamyaham. I don't know when I am going to attain that attitude, that equanimity with which I can worship, serve Mahadeva, Sadashiva. The next sloka. Kada nilimba nirjari nigunja kodare vasan vimukta durmadis sadashirasthamanjalim vahan. Vilola lola lochanola lama bhala lagnaga shivedi mandra mucharan kada sughi bhavamyaham. Kada sughi bhavamyaham. I don't know when I am going to be happy. Nikuncha kotara, a parnashala, hut made of creeper plants and leaves on the banks of Nilimba Nirjari, Ganga. When am I going to live in a parnashala, in a garden on the banks of Ganga? Nilimba Nirjari, Nigunja Kotare, Vasan. Vimukta Durmatihi, having discarded all Durmati, Durbuddhi, such as lust, anger, greed, delusion, pride and jealousy. Sada Shirastha Manjalim Vahan, with hands in Anjali Mudra, palms joined together above the head. Vilola Lola Lochanaha, with eyes eager and searching to have his darshan. Lalama Bhala Lagnakaha, with tilaga bhasma on the forehead. Shiveti Mantra Mucharan, by constantly chanting his mantra. This is what is ultimate happiness. When am I going to get that happiness? Kada Sughi Bhavamyaham. The next sloka. Nilimbanatha Nagari Kadamba Mauli Malligani Bumbha Nirbhara Ksharan Madhushnika Manohara Tanotuno Manomudam Vinodini Maharnishambara Shriyambaram Badam Tadangajatvisham Sayaha Kadamba Mauli Malliga Nigumbha. The description is about the jasmine garlands adorning Parvati Devi's hair. Kadamba, bunches of jasmine. Malliga Nigumbha means garland, jasmine flowers strung together. And Madhushnika, the pollens which fill those jasmines, Ksharan, they are falling. Manohara, they are stealing our hearts. Our hearts are captivated by those pollens. Nilimpanatha Nagari. Nilimpanatha is Amaranatha, Mahadeva. Nagari, his skillful spouse, Parvati Devi. Tanotuno Manomudam Vinodinim Aharnisham. May this advance promote, increase our happiness, this sight of pollens falling from the jasmine garlands adorning Parvati's hair, Aharnisham, day and night. It is a prayer for proximity to the divine couple, so that you can actually get to see this. Tusham Chajaha, the splendor of lustre coming out of her body, Tadangaja, Parashriyam Parampadam. May that take us to the ultimate Aishwarya and the ultimate state of bliss. The next sloka. Prachanda Vada Vanala Prabha Shubha Pracharini Mahashta Siddhikamini Jana Bahuda Dalpana Vimukta Vama Lochano Vivaha Kali Gadhvani Shivedi Mandra Bhushano Jagadjayaya Jayata Vimukta Vama Lochana Vivaha Kali Gadhvani, the chatter at the time of the divine wedding of Shiva and Parvati. What is that dhvani sound? Everyone is saying Shiveti mantra. Everyone is chanting his name. This chatter, this sound is Prachanda Vadavanala Prabha Shubha Pracharini. It is for spreading Shubha, goodness, and it is as brilliant as the powerful Vadavanala. Vadavanala is Agni that is present in the ocean. And who all are present during this divine wedding? Mahashtasiddhigamini janaha. The 8 siddhis such as Anima, Garima, they are present as women folk during the wedding, and their jalpana, their chatter is Shiva mantra. May it Jagadjayaya Jajatam. May Shiva mantra conquer the world. May it spread all around the world, because it spreads goodness. The very wedding of Shiva and Parvati is for the goodness of the world. The next shloka. Imam hi nityameva muktamuttamottamam stavam padhan smaran bruvan naro visuddhimedi santatam. Hare gurau subhaktimasu yadinanyatha gadim vimohanam hi dehinam susangarasya chintanam. Imam stavam, this stotra, eva muktam, thus told. What kind of stotra stava? Uttamuttamam, greatest among the great. Pathanna, smaranna, bruvanna, by reading, by remembering, by chanting. Naraha, man. Visuddhimedi, attains purity. Santatam, constantly, continuously. Hare, in Hara, in Shiva. Gurau, in Guru. Subhaktim asuyadi, true devotion is immediately achieved, attained. Nanyatha gatim yati, Shiva alone is attained, nothing else. So Shankarasya chintanam dehinam vimohanam hi. By remembering him, by meditating upon his form in this manner, as told in the stotra, all worries go away, all confusion goes away, all ignorance, moha goes away. That is the result of chanting Shivatandava Stotra. And the last shloka. Pujavasana samaye dasavaktra geetam yashambhubhujanaparam patati pradoshe tasya sthiram radhagajendra turanga yuktam lakshmim sadaiva sumukhim pradadadi shambhuhu. Shivaya namaha. Towards the end of Pradosha Pujavasana Samaye, Yaha Shambhubhujanaparam Dasavaktra Geetam Pathati, whoever chants or reads this song, composed by Dasavaktra Ravana, Shambhubhujanaparam, Tasya Shambhu Sthiram Sumukhim Lakshmim Pradadadi. Bhagavan Shambhu gives him permanent Aishwarya, Lakshmi. Radha Gajendra Turanga Yuktam Lakshmim. Aishwarya symbolized by chariots, elephants and horses. Aishwarya of a king. These are the results of chanting Shivatandava Stotra. Shambhave Namaha.
Yajnana Shrekhatamam Karma